Hi guys, this is Stuti Gogia. In case you are listening this voice for the very first time, you can go check out my other social media handles. And this is season 2 of Stuti Speaks. So first season was mostly about where I was doing solo podcast, and this one I thought to do guest based podcast because I actually love to talk to people and I learn from them. So podcast is the very good method to do that, and I thought that season 2 should be all about guest based. So I actually put a story on my Stuti Speaks handle on Instagram where I asked if someone will be interested in doing podcast for me and podcast along with me. So I got Anudeep's reply and I was super excited. So today I have one of my guests whose name I already told you. She's Anudeep, and how we met is a very good story. That there was a voice of anchor program happening where they invited podcasts from various genres, and I also joined it, though I was not regular in creating podcasts when I joined it, but it was good to meet so many fellow podcasters. So I met Anudeep via that, and one of her podcasts is doing really well on Spotify. I will be sharing that while I'll be doing the marketing for this one. So yeah, that's it about Anudeep from my side, and I'm super excited for this podcast because this is going to be about anime, and I don't know much about anime, and I'm sure कि उससे मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. So Anudeep, over to you. Can you explain, like, can you give a little bit intro of yourself?
Hi, Stuti. Yeah, so thank you for the show. It's like how you said that you put out the story and you were like, okay, can somebody collaborate with me? And you were like planning out this whole season. So I'm pretty inspired by that. So a little bit about me is that I have two podcasts actually, and I started on my podcasting journey because I read this one book, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, and then I thought, oh my god, why is nobody talking about this? So I just started, I picked up my phone, started recording, like, okay, this is what the book is about, this is what I liked about it, and then I posted that episode just like that. And then I was like, okay, I do have a page, like already had This Is Not What I Meant, which is my page through which I approached you, right? So yeah, I already had a page where I was posting book reviews, and then I thought, you know what, I could just, start a podcast as well. So that's how I started the pod. And yeah, I'm a food technologist. So with Voice of Anchor, as you talked about, where we had to create a whole new podcast.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, chalo food I studied food. So then I was like, okay, you know what, I should talk about food as well for, like, common people, because I know with like TV series, a lot of people haven't watched the TV series that I am talking about. So I thought, okay, I can talk about food. So that was my story with What's on My Plate. And both of the podcasts are running currently
Running
on.
well. And I
Yeah.
would want to mention here to my audience or the listeners that she won like multiple times. She won the missions, right? There were missions happening on weekly basis, and I used to see the stories and things happening on Voice of Anchor pages. So she won them like multiple times. So I'm so proud that you won, and I'm really happy that a winner is talking to me, and I'm like really honored. So let's start. I actually मैंने थोड़ा बहुत I listened about the anime and stuff. इससे पहले before your podcast मुझे इतना सारा पता नहीं था. And when I listened to your podcast which you sent, and basically I wanted to kickstart with it, so you recommended and I listened, and I was actually surprised that in India there was a collaboration with Japanese about the Ramayana. So can we, okay,
Yes.
before we go to that, I think I'm running too fast. You can explain to listeners like what exactly is anime.
Okay, so one of the questions that I ask anybody when I'm talking about anime is that have you watched Doraemon या फिर Shinchan?
ये that I heard, मतलब मैंने बचपन में नहीं देखा इतना, but yeah, lately
I
when
mean, you know, like
yeah,
what is
a bit,
Doraemon, you know
yeah,
what is Shinchan,
true,
right?
true.
But what is the fact is that if you compare like Disney के shows जैसे हो गए, जैसे छोटा भीम आता है. So if you compare, you would call Chota Bheem cartoon, you would also call Doraemon cartoon. But the fact is that any sort of animation that comes out of Japan is called anime, like any sort of animation. So it's like Japanese लोगों ने जब बनाया animation में कुछ भी, it's called anime. So that is what basically the anime is. And I think when somebody calls Doraemon या Shinchan को anime, so they think all the anime is going to be just for kids, which is not the real thing, real
Mm,
story.
hmm.
Yeah.
Mm. So, how do we differentiate between anime and cartoon or anything which is animated or anime? Like being like some, I'm layman, मुझे नहीं पता, ठीक है? So, how do you explain to me कि ये anime है और ये animated है? It's only the country difference or there are कुछ other characteristics या चीजें भी होती हैं?
It is the country difference only because
Okay.
Japan has like a long story with their animation because their industry is actually very interlinked through this anime. So what happens is that like we have TV serials and everything, right? So TV serials say somebody if किसी का popularity बढ़ जाती है, so they go to like movies and stuff. And similarly, वहाँ जापान में people write stories in form of comic books, which comic books को they call manga. So
Okay.
manga gets adapted into an animated show which they call anime. तो वहां से वही एनिमेटर्स और सब कुछ मतलब सारा इंडस्ट्री उनका आपस में इंटरलिंक्ड है कि किसी की मांगा जो स्टोरी है किसी को पसंद आ गई तो उसमें बहुत मतलब प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस उस पे काम करते हैं, सो इट्स अ वेरी बिग इंडस्ट्री देयर.
And उसमें भी adult anime is even more popular than people like people in their adulthood watch more anime than people who are kids, right, is that so?
Yeah,
ऐसा
I
कुछ
mean,
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
no,
हम्म.
it's not that. I mean, kids obviously watch cartoons, right?
हम्म.
And kids look तो anime को हम अगर कार्टून कहेंगे तो वो उस सेंस में ये बात होगी कि बस ये बच्चों के लिए है कि आप ये नहीं कह सकते अभी अभी if I talk about any of the animated shows which are not from Japan but are into the adult streams, so जैसे Simpsons,
हम्म.
Family Guy, Rick and Morty, so these are
Okay.
animated shows which are for adults as well, right?
Okay. हम्म.
Because they talk about concepts like science and just family structure, and a lot of explicit things are there so which are not for kids. Like I would say Rick and Morty is not for kids,
Okay.
but you can't call Rick and Morty cartoon. It's just that कि animated है, उसका दिखने में वो animated है, but cartoon को अगर हम describe करें तो वो ये होगा कि it's for kids. That's it.
Okay, that way. So let's come back to the point where we started about Ramayan, right?
Yes.
You mentioned that, and actually that was thing that attracted me. Like I want to talk about it. So yeah, can you explain to audience like Ramayan is how Ramayan is anime and how Japan and India collaborated over it?
Okay, so Stuti is actually talking about one of my episodes called Once Upon an Anime, which I started as a node for people to understand. Okay, you know what? Don't be so high on a high horse that oh, I don't watch anime. You have watched anime
Mm.
because this movie Ramayan came out in 1990s. Yeah, 90s only. So the creator of this movie remind the cartoon movie that people just love, like the animated movie that people just love. If you have watched it, so yeah. So the creator of the movie actually read the remind, right, and then he was so fascinated by this because he thought that the live action which we called the TV series hai, TV series or live action where people are actually acting, they can't, that cannot, completely show the whole power, the dynamics of the story.
Hmm.
Like,
Hmm.
it's so fantastical, right?
Hmm.
Whatever happens in the story.
Hmm.
There are a lot,
Grand. It's grand actually. True.
it's very grand, it's epic, right?
Epic. Yeah, I was not saying the right word. It's epic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so he thought it's the best, interpretation of the story could only happen in anime. So he took it
Mm.
upon himself to, just approach the Indian industry about this, that he wants to create this anime. But what happened was that he approached, and the collaboration actually started, but people revolted because they thought it's disrespectful to
Mm.
make this story into anime. But
Mm.
he explained that anime is a very respected form of art in
Art.
Japan.
Respected from, yeah, they consider it as a art, not just a piece of content. They're like um, two artists creating it. Like there is a lot of effort go behind that, right?
Yeah, I mean the whole process of animation has come forward due to the technology. But earlier, hand drawn. Each storyboard was hand drawn, and then
Oh.
it took a lot of time to animate the whole thing. So if you're
Hmm.
talking about like a 2 hour movie, तो उसमें हर एक scene को हाथ से बनाना तो उसमें time
Oh.
लगता ही है.
Handcrafted by like from, but abhi to it must have been digitalized. Ab to bahut
Yeah,
zyada
people. Yeah.
bahut. So one more thing which came to my mind while I was talking to you. So is there something that like you, I mean, what attracted you towards the anime? Like, कहाँ से वो calling शुरू हुई के where you find that this is something really interesting? कैसे कैसे आया? Because I know, but मतलब there should be something ना. We all watch, but एकदम से क्या ऐसा click करा where you felt like कि हाँ, this is my calling. I want to talk about it.
I think the first time I watched anime like as like a little different from cartoon was when I watched this show called Death Note.
Okay.
So the entire concept of the show was what attracted me to watching the anime in the first place, in which this guy, his name is Light Yagami, and he gets this book from the sky, an empty notebook from the sky, in which if he writes a name of any person
Hmm.
who he knows, like by face and his
Hmm.
name,
Hmm.
if he writes the name, the person dies.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah. And with
Okay.
the notebook comes a Shinigami. So Shinigami, मतलब अगर मैं हिंदी में कहूँ तो it's like a Yamraj for the
Oh.
Japanese people.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So the Shinigami actually has the notebook, and the whole concept was so interesting. And I actually explored more such shows in the anime, and I was like, they have very interesting concepts to explain different things. So first of all, the concept was very attractive to me,
Hmm.
and then if we talk about the animation itself, obviously 2D animation they take. It's not like Disney movies where it's like too much
Hmm.
detail going
Hmm.
on,
Hmm.
right?
Right.
2D animation, they kind of play fast and loose when they want to animate all the details and when they don't want to, when they just want to show a face with two dots and just a smile. So
Hmm.
they alternate between that. So it's very interesting to see how they use the animation to express emotions. So that's
Hmm.
very cool.
So that's how your journey of animation, like interested into anime started. Like that
Yeah.
what attracted you. But anyways, वो story मुझे इतनी interesting sound हो रही है सुनने में. So I'm sure that must have been like you must have felt attracted towards more of those kind of shows. So
Yeah.
currently what are you watching? Currently क्या what all in your watch list are, क्या क्या चल रहा
As for anime or just
है?
like
Yeah.
in general?
हाँ, for anime, right?
Anime, actually, the last anime I watched was Tokyo Revengers. So the fun thing about the anime was that there is like too much trauma. it's
Trauma
not
in that.
it's
Okay.
not a fun fact, but it talks of like gives a very different perspective to child bullying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, bullying between kids. It gives a very different perspective because children bully amongst themselves. It's not that some adult bullies them, right?
Right,
So
right,
how
right.
so the motivations behind why would a child bully somebody else, right? So what
Hmm,
happened in their past? So all the childhood trauma they've shown very beautifully in that show. So
hmm, hmm.
I like that as well.
That's what you like. So, agar if you get a chance, like if you get a chance to create an anime character, अगर कभी मिला तो किस तरह का character you want to create? I mean, take your time. It's like very randomly came to my mind, so I thought to ask you. अगर कभी मौका
Good
मिला,
question.
या तो फिर कैसा कैसा animated correct, like if I want to create an alter image for myself, maybe I want to create a person mermaid kinds, or a person who is water into the water for कुछ होता है ना आपका एक alter person होता है which you see कि हाँ मतलब I am, so I feel कि mermaid type of mixture of character with a human with some water abilities and everything. I want to create that anime of mine. So ऐसा कुछ है आपके, कुछ कभी सोचा है कि कुछ ऐसा अगर
Like
खुद
I
का
don't.
करना हो तो क्या होगा माइंड में? बिकॉज इमेजिनेशन की तो कोई वो नहीं है ना, मतलब इनफाइनाइट है. तो मतलब इमेजिनेशन में तो मैं पानी के अंदर भी जा सकती हूँ. आई कैन फील लाइक अ फिश एंड आई कैन, मतलब अंदर ही एक बहुत बड़ा फोर्ट है, कैसल है, कुछ भी दैट वेज. सो दैट्स माई इमेजिनेशन फॉर माई सेल्फ. तो आप कभी ऐसा सोचा है कि कुछ?
I think I love to be a dragon.
That's nice.
I
That's
mean,
nice. And
I mean, very interested in flying. So,
flying and
yeah,
fire as well. Are you a
fire
fire
as well.
sign? Are you a fire sign? Because I'm a water sign. That's why the mermaid thing came to my mind.
I'm actually a Libra, so
Libra is
that's
a
about
earth sign. Yeah.
balance, right? Yeah.
But
But
like,
I,
hmm.
yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. You were saying something.
Yeah, so like I'm very interested in flying, but before you said the mermaid thing, I was more thinking on the lines of being a spy, actually, like being an international spy.
Oh, and the person can fly himself, or like, क्या super power क्या होगी?
Superpower would be actually either mind reading or shape shifting. Like,
Oh wow, very
yeah,
nice. Shape shifting is mind reading is something जो ऐसा है कि common like everybody wants to, but shape
yeah.
shifting is something really different. That's nice. That's nice. I mean, we're already in making of a new story of an anime.
Yeah, but
Already.
the kind of international spy I want to be, it won't be like, oh, I have so many emergency situations that I have to solve or something like that. It'll be like I am sort of in retirement, but I'm like pretty cool, pretty chill, and there's this group of people who want to solve a huge problem, and unko tension bahut zyada ho rahi hai, and then they come to me like one of those characters that people just
Oh,
love when they come, right?
oh.
So
So it's
I'm
not
like,
like voluntarily जाके नहीं करना है, कोई आएगा तो पूछेगा तो बता
I'm
देना
like, ठीक
नहीं
है,
तो
help कर देंगे. I can do, like, I have like a lot of power, but I'm just not, it's not like I'm doing that only the whole time.
hmm, the mixture of many characters, but that's nice. That's
I
nice.
mean, just like imagine like you have all this power, and then you just like in the kitchen making noodles or something. So that would be very fun to watch.
बट है भी कितना चिल्ला, यू नो यू हैव पावर, यू कैन यूज इट, बट नहीं अभी नहीं करेंगे, जब कोई बोल देगा तो देख लेंगे।
हाँ,
वो
मतलब
कैसे चिल लाइफ है, खाना खा रहे हैं, नूडल्स खा रहे हैं,
खाना खा
टीवी
रहे,
देख
टीवी
रहे
देख रहे
हैं।
हैं,
हाँ, बट
बाद में
दैट्स
कभी ड्रैगन बन गए तो
कभी really nice. I'm having fun having this podcast. So anything you feel कि कुछ ऐसी information which you feel is very significant to people who want to start seeing anime, or people who are interested in like this stuff, कुछ ऐसी significant information है which you want to give?
I think I would say this to the people who want to start anime is that don't go for suggestions your friends give you.
Hmm.
Like if they watch anime and then they say ये तो anime तुम्हें देखना ही पड़ेगा, like this is the best thing ever, like don't go for that, because there are a lot of different genres. So there's like rom-com types anime, super sad anime, super like gory,
Hmm.
then a lot of like there's this genre of anime called shonen. So shonen animes are where there's this kid उसके parents नहीं है एंड उसकी कोई
हाँ.
ओरिजिन स्टोरी होती है, बाद में जाके वो हीरो बन जाता है, तो उसका पूरा उन्होंने कैटेगरी बना दिया बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन प्लॉट. तो
Hmm.
आई एम लाइक कि इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर एनिमे, सर्च फॉर द जॉनर दैट यू लाइक यू
Hmm.
वुड लाइक टू सी, एंड कोई किसी का प्लॉट आपको पसंद है, सो देन वॉच दैट, एंड मे बी इफ यू लाइक दैट देन यू कैन वॉच अदर शोज. लाइक आपको एंट्री शो तो आपको ऐसे ही देखना चाहिए जो आपको पसंद आए, मतलब
पसंद है,
स्टोरी वाइज भी ना.
पर उसके लिए मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा, मतलब ऑब्वियसली आप किसी पे मत जाओ, दैट्स व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, एक्सप्लोर
या
योर कि आपको क्या पसंद आ रहा है, देन गो इनटू दैट कैटेगरी, राइट? वो अपने
या
आप से यू विल स्टार्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग मोर ऑफ दोस कैटेगरीज, लाइक व्हेन यू सेड कि आपने वो देखा तो यू स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग मोर, सो दैट
Yeah,
वे।
so as for you're saying कि explore खुद करना पड़ेगा, you can ask somebody who watches a lot of anime and then you say, okay, this is what like I like thriller genre, I like mystery genre, तो इसमें कोई show आपने देखा हो तो वो मेरे को बता दो. So
हाँ.
it also helps the other person who is suggesting the show to give you the right recommendation to watch it.
हम्म.
Yeah,
ये भी वैसे आई थिंक व्हेन यू आर इनटू इट, बिकॉज नेटफ्लिक्स है, प्राइम पे भी ऐसे ही होता है ना, इफ यू स्टार्ट वाचिंग, हमें वी स्टार्ट
similar
गेटिंग
type
दोस
of content मिल
रिकमेंडेशन
जाता है.
ऑटोमेटिकली, सो
Yeah,
शायद दिस कुड बी अनदर काइंड ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आपको, या जहाँ भी आप देख रहे हो वहां से आपको यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग दोस काइंड ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन और फ्रॉम पीपल एज वेल। सो वही है ना,
yeah,
लोगों को भी पता चल जाएगा, जैसे मैं कुछ देखती हूँ तो लोगों को तो पता है, अच्छा ये तो नेटफ्लिक्स पे ऐसा देखती है तो चलो इसको ये रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं, सो दैट वेज
yeah.
इट हैपेंस। So that's great. That's great. So abhi kya plan hai? What are your plans for anime? Like going ahead and doing the show reviews or more watching of it या फिर अभी क्या क्या सोचा है या फिर go with the flow जो भी interesting लगे करते जाएंगे.
So I actually wrapped up a series last year on anime where I talked about a lot of shows. So currently I'm just not making
Do
more anime content, but I'm actually going for reading mangas. So जो
okay.
shows खत्म हुए, I don't watch a long animes जिनके बहुत सारे seasons. I watch the animes जिनके एक दो season आए हैं because it's very easy to watch like
हाँ.
very quickly ना. But
Hmm.
what happens that all of these shows end at cliffhangers. So I started reading द मांगा आफ्टर इट तो
Hmm.
कॉमिक बुक के जैसे उन्होंने 60 चैप्टर्स का शो बना दिया तो 61 चैप्टर मैं पढ़ लेती हूँ क्योंकि 60
Okay.
60 चैप्टर तक तो मैंने देख ही लिया ना
Hmm.
तो I'm reading more mangas. I actually ordered one for one of the shows called Jujutsu Kaisen. So I ordered one manga and it's pretty cool to have
Wow.
that sort of book.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So can you recommend few of your podcasts? One of to the people who are listening and interested, that if they want to listen and they want to start or they want to have more information about.
Okay, so as we talked about, finding your genre, I did different shows on my podcast. I covered different shows, one about science, one
Okay.
about philosophy, one about gambling. So I talked about these different shows, one about magic. So what I do in my podcast is that I don't give spoilers. I
Hmm.
try to not give spoilers for at least like the first 10 minutes or so. So
Hmm.
maybe you guys can check out my podcast, like, this is not what I meant,
This is
and
yeah.
check out like the anime episodes if you are into it and looking forward to go to watch anime. So you can check out like the description also, or maybe listen to a few minutes of each episode to find out, okay, I like this genre, I want to hear what she has to say more on that. So I'll help you in research.
Yeah, so please go follow her on Spotify, listen to her podcast. So yeah, that is a interested plugin. Again, coming back to, uh, we'll do that in last again. But yeah, thanks for telling in details. And anyways, we plugged in. So
Yeah,
marketing भी जरूरी है. So fine,
marketing जरूरी
काफी
है.
जरूरी है. काफी जरूरी है. Also, you can follow her on her Instagram. This is not what I meant as well. Anyways, I'll be doing that on my Stuti Speaks. Coming back to anime again. So, I mean, India में, what are you seeing the future of anime? Is there something you are seeing के ये चीजें आ रही हैं? Like Ramayan example we did. That was the first collaboration. अभी कुछ
Yeah.
आ रहा है? You see that something is coming or people are interesting या कुछ creation हो रही है? ऐसी.
I don't know about the creation that is happening, but there is a community forming for sure because I see a
Okay.
lot of these online stores coming up with merchandise on anime, which is
Okay.
made in India.
ओके सो फिर वही बात है देखो कम्युनिटी बन रही है पॉडकास्ट भी लोग सुन रहे हैं
Yeah.
पीपल आर टॉकिंग सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट आई मीन इट मीन्स इट्स इन बिल्डिंग तो कुछ ना कुछ तो आने वाले टाइम में हो ही जाएगा फिर आई मीन द क्रिएशन के terms में I'm saying क्योंकि if community is already building that's what you're saying and merchandises there people are talking about it people are listening to podcast on obviously I'm sure कि तुम भी you must be talking to few people जो already are interested in this stuff right so already
Yeah.
the community is building so I think it will be going somewhere but that's the youth of India progressing.
Yeah, I mean, Ramayan was like a very big collaboration because it was like dubbed in a lot of languages. And even the actor who played Lord Ram in the Doordarshan series also voiced him on the anime movie as well.
Oh, I don't.
Yeah.
I'm not remembering his name, but I'm sure he was. He is a very popular actor. I'm not
Yeah.
sure who he was. I'll Google it after this because you have given me this, so I'll be googling it. But I think I saw that. That I saw. I mean the Ramayan I saw.
And it's a very great way to actually like make Indian stories reach out to more of the world, right?
Word right
Because
because
this was also translated in English. This was made in English, and then people all over the world knew
mm,
knew the story because it became accessible to them. So people
Yes.
shouldn't say that, oh, they shouldn't have made this, because I think then afterwards we had Hanuman as well, right? I
Hmm.
don't know if that was a like a Japanese collaboration, but people became more encouraged to make these movies
Hmm.
for like Indian audiences in animation format.
Right, right. So I think the future is bright. So that ways,
Yeah.
and I mean it's interesting. Like when I'm talking to you, I'm finding it interesting. I'm sure a lot of kids must be, and already people. I've seen a lot of anime characters in one of the Ranveer Alabadia is one of the person जिसके podcast मैं बहुत सुनती हूँ. तो there is shelf in his podcast room जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे एनिमे करेक्टर्स है फ्रॉम जापान जापानीज एनिमे ओनली एंड ही टॉक्स अबाउट देम अ लॉट विद दैट दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वॉरियर स्पिरिट का जो इनकलकेशन होता है दैट कम्स फ्रॉम देम सो आई एम श्योर द फ्यूचर ऑफ anime is very bright and obviously more people will be knowing about it. So I really love this discussion. Is there something more you want to talk about or you want to touch upon specifically regarding anime? Because I'm not having any questions in my mind, but I'm sure you must be having many more inputs that we can look forward to.
Yeah, so one thing that I wanted to also share was that, as you said, warrior spirit, and he talked about a lot of the कैरेक्टर्स राइट कि उनका प्रेजेंटेशन कैसा है और फिर what lessons that you can learn. So this is a very big thing in just the anime writing. So what is that they talk about a lot of concepts like family, friendship, and काफी realistically they present all of these themes. It's not काफी deeply वो इन सब में वो बात करते हैं because writing बहुत अच्छी है उनकी. So I think this is a Japanese thing only because they like they consider like friendship the paramount thing, like they do or die sort of situations, and it's very beautiful to see. And just like even the writing of the anime is very great for adults to see as well.
Amazing. Thank you. That's and once you start, I think जब आप वैसे characters देखना शुरू कर देते हो, I think you start building those characteristics in your personality as well,
Yeah.
right? You get to have more warrior spirit, you get to have more courage, you give your friendship that importance, like honesty in relationship that importance. So that's how, because वही है ना जिसको हम देख रहे हैं, we start to mimic those people, right?
Yeah.
Somehow ऐसा नहीं है कि एकदम से बट somehow. So that's how you build in your personality and characteristics, and I think that's really nice. So अनुदीप, it's really very very nice talking to you. बहुत सारा मतलब मुझे learning हो गया because I had no idea about it before talking to you, and so really really thank you for that. And I think we can end this one right here, and I would also want our listeners to go check out both of her podcast, This Is Not What I Meant, and also What's on My Plate. I think that's really interesting because I have gotten many awards as well from Voice of Anchor. So thank you so much, Anudeep, and we will see, I mean, I'll be seeing you again, like you might be listening me again in the next podcast of mine. So Anudeep, any last message for the listeners from your side?
Yeah, I'm just very curious if you guys are encouraged to watch anime after listening to this podcast. Like, I would love to know. Like, you can write to Stuti or me. But yeah, like, I'm very curious if you guys do go ahead and watch anime and which one. Right. And thank you, Stuti, for inviting me on your show. Like, this is pretty great that got to talk about anime after so long like this.
Thank you so much, Anudeep. So thank you so much, guys. Stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay grateful. And you can follow us on Stuti Speaks on Instagram, and you can DM, and we can interact in there. So thank you, and have a very good day. Take care. Bye.